And better growth outlook for the year as Korea's top central bank upgraded its projection to 2.8%, anticipating a strong second half of the year. Our Soo-young with numbers.
The Korean economy is set to grow by 2.8% this year. The Bank of Korea on Thursday raised its growth estimate by 0.2 percentage points, putting it in line with the expectations of various financial institutions. This is the second time this year that the central bank has bumped up its projection, as the country's economy grew at a better-than-expected pace of 1.1% in the first quarter of this year, due to a strong surge of exports and investment. The BOK expects its upward trend to continue amid the upbeat trading environment and relatively stable financial conditions in the global market. While the economy is set to continue down the road to recovery, the central bank has decided to maintain its wait-and-see approach before weaning the nation off the record-low interest rate. At its monetary policy meeting Thursday, the Bank of Korea held its benchmark rate for July at a record-low 1.25% for the 13th month in a row.
Due to domestic and global uncertainties, there's a need to observe future developments. While household debt has been falling in recent months, it remains high and under growing demand. We need to wait and see how the government plans to handle the situation.
Korea's record level of household debt stands at over $1.1 trillion. Raising the burden of mortgage repayments could destabilize an economy that's still struggling with low consumption, relatively high unemployment and income polarization. But most experts agree that external pressures mean an eventual hike is inevitable. The US Federal Reserve last month raised its rates by 0.25 percentage point, further pressuring the Bank of Korea to follow suit, to keep the country attractive for foreign investment and to prevent a possible capital outflow. Just last month, Bank of Korea Governor Lee Ju-yo hinted that a hike could happen once the economy is deemed to be showing clear signs of improvement. Soo-young, Arirang News.